In my previous video, I elaborated what is IELTS. The test consists of 4 components and also you have academic and general test. If you haven't seen the video, the link is available at the top right on your screen as well as available below in the description. Hi, I am Archana Kayale from Good to Excellence. We are your online partner to coach you in IELTS, PT, TOEFL and English communication skills. Okay, so let's check the parts of the test in detail. So in this video, I am covering the test format for 2 skills, that is listening and reading, and you don't forget to watch my next video where I will be covering writing and speaking skills. So listening and reading are also called as receptive skills or passive skills. So let's check them. First, listening. It is the same for academic and general candidates. Here, candidates' listening comprehension skills are assessed. The whole test lasts for 30 minutes. This includes listening and reading time. You hear the instructions in recording and you get 40 questions in the test. The test has 4 sections and each section has 10 questions. Also, the sections get progressively difficult. We will check how these sections are and what topics you get. Section 1. A conversation between 2 people on everyday or social topic. Section 2. A monologue or only a talk by one person on a general topic. Section 3. A discussion between 2 or 4 people. Topic is academic. Section 4 is a monologue, or we can also call it as a lecture on academic or education related topic. You need to listen to the recording and write down your answers simultaneously. You get 30 seconds of time to go through the questions. Use this time properly and wisely. Highlight the keywords from the questions while reading it and be attentive. You get answers in sequence. You need to constantly look for synonyms. For example, in the question, they would say passport. The candidates need to carry their passport, and in question, it may have been written as photo identification. So that's how you need to look for the words which are of the same meaning. In listening test, if you take paper-based test, you get 10 minutes of extra time to transfer your answers in the answer sheet. You can write your answers all in capital letters. For example, you can check here. In computer delivered test, you need to directly type your answers in the space provided by the application on the screen. So this is about your listening section. Now let's check reading. Your reading section is for 60 minutes, that is 1 hour of duration. It assesses your comprehension skills. For academic section, you get 3 sections and 3 lengthy passages. Each section has 13 to 14 questions to answer. There is no difference between passages. Only difference is the first section could be a little easier than others. Topics you get are general interest but of academic subject. For general candidates, you have 3 sections. Your section 1, you get 2 short passages related to everyday life. Section 2 two short passages. These are on education, training or work. Section 3 has a long passage which is taken from newspaper or magazine. Basically, it's an article from newspaper or magazine of general interest. In both academic and general reading test, you get different types of questions like multiple choice questions, short answer questions, true, false, not given, summary completion, and many more. If you are taking paper-based test, write your answers directly on your answer booklet. You will not get extra time to transfer your answers. In computer delivered test, of course you need to write on the space provided by the application. As the test lasts for 60 minutes, manage your time effectively and answer efficiently. I would suggest you to spend 15 minutes on the first section. You may spend 20 minutes on the second section and again 20 minutes on the third section. So that way, you will be able to finish your reading skills test in 55 minutes. So you will be left with 5 extra minutes which you can use to revisit the doubtful questions. I will talk to you in detail about the tips writing and speaking skills video. This will be coming soon. So subscribe to our channel and stay updated on new videos that are released. So this is about the detailed test format for IELTS. To get notified for our next release, please press the bell icon, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.